Happy welcoming from the Marble Mountains here in DaNang. Beautiful sunny day. Very warm today also. I think something like between 30 or 35 degrees. And in the background or behind me you can see the mountains. That's how it looks. Also flooded here by tourists. Haven't thought about it that DaNang is so special for tourists. So we were to get the tickets.
Ticket?
Yeah.
Ticket you do the cave.
It's cave, yeah?
You get them just
So it's separated, yeah? Tickets and the Marble Mountains, yeah? Or the cave.
we just got the tickets from there and it's working.
It's working also for the mountains, yeah? Alright, thanks. You see, the ground is also wet. Whoa. Look over here. Wow. Look up. Oh. How far it's going up here. Oh, it's raining here.
Yeah, and they have this to show people what not to do.
Someone knows. Yeah. It's closed. Look up. The hole in the caves.
기만 잘 잡으면 된다고.
그거 같은데?
I remember when we ran.
Come on. Now I'm on the top of the Marble Mountains. Look behind me, the beautiful view here. You can see the skyscrapers of DaNang, the high buildings, also the river and much more. It's held there, or you can walk or not?
Lots of pee-pee. There's nothing.
What do you mean exactly?
There's only a couple of pee-pees there.
Ah.
And you can smell them and there's nothing there. That's the end.
So it's not worth it, yeah?
No, nothing.
Understand. Beautiful gate here. Many hidden places here you can find. Marble Mountains. Very beautiful place here. Many steps, many stones. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Lại chơi kìa.
Áo cô cha nó để cho hồi chị bắt mở nó.
Xin chào. Yeah, people greet me. Very nice. That's how it looks in the opposite. Look at this. This is the biggest coconut I ever ate. For around 25,000 dang. What's around in euro? Look how big it is. It's bigger than my head. for now. The vendor opens me without saying anything the coconut to eat the inside. That's very precious. Now I will get an orange juice after my coconut from green oranges. Curious for the taste. The coconut has been the best and largest that I ever drink. Good to hydrate your body. It's better than to drink 2 liters of water, because coconut is hydrating your body better. Marble Mountains in front of me. Here you also can see the elevator. Wow, I finished now my coconut and orange juice. What is amazing. The biggest coconut I'd ever ate, bigger than my head, and also the fresh orange juice, green orange juices, green oranges I mean, for just 45,000 dang, what is around €1.60. Impossible, and also for the quality you get here. It's not artificial made like in Europe, pesticided. It all looks like nature, Mother Nature, or from God created. So as long as it's possible, try to eat God's food or God's cuisine. That's the best thing what you can do to avoid the artificial things like pizza, pasta, or something else. It's not good for your body. Dine God's food, and then you will be on the right way. Hello guys, I'm now at the Chua Ling Un Buddha statue here in DaNang. Beautiful weather all day long. Very comfortable today. Beautiful beach here, but no time to look around the place or spend time there because I'm too busy to visit everything and to walk as much as possible. It's crazy. Look here in front of me. Sorry for the mistake here. Statue. Like a Japanese garden, something like that here. Look at all these bonsais. Crazy. That's it. What a beautiful, amazing picture of you. Crazy. Stunning. You know, we're coming from a different side to Chua Ling Un. As you see, Turning here left now. Sure, sorry, my Vietnamese friends. Here is a statue. Wow. Oh my gosh. What a monument. Got also the possibility to go in. Maybe first a view this here's in front of the beautiful monument. Patrol in front of this Buddha house. Ah, you're observing me, yeah? Look how he's looking. He knows he is recording by me. All the time of you. There he is. Hi. Very interesting. Yeah. Everywhere dogs. Dogs are fighting, playing. And so peaceful. Here is my Grab friend Huyen. He brings me to this beautiful place here.
Yeah, hello.
And I make a commercial for him. So enjoy if you're coming to DaNang and enjoy this beautiful view. Who is showing me how to eat local food here. That's Huyen again. And that's some food. How to eat it. So I have to eat it with a little chili. So it will be more Vietnamese. Peace.